Good afternoon. It's about 5 o'clock here in Pennsylvania, Northeast PA to be exact. And as you can see, the snow is piling up. This has been cleaned several times already, and yet the snow just keeps coming. It's so quiet and peaceful. I said this before. It's kind of a different sensation. Now tomorrow, obviously, it'll get dirty and sloppy, but it's just so nice right now. So thanks for watching. I'll give you another update either later or in the morning. But we'll talk to you soon. Have a great day. Thank you.